Okay, so we are going to be doing this section on 4.3 exponential growth, and you can take a moment to read this and do those questions, and then we're going to concentrate on these questions. Let's take a look at the facts here. Go home. One, new document. No, don't save your old work. Do new. Add spreadsheet. This was, what was this? Months?
Months.
And this was
Balance.
balance. And I'm typing using my keyboard on the computer, but you type using these keys. Now, my first month, I'm going to call it 1. Why not? And my first balance in the first month is 250. Okay, or 200, however you want to do it. Now, here, sir, we're going to type equals. And since I want to refer to the 1, that's on column A, row 1. I type A1 plus 1. Enter. Press the tab. That takes me up there. Actually, I just want to be down here. Move your cursor to under the 250. And sir, I'm about to do that formula. And really? And it's time to type in equals B1 times, because I want geometric. I just need to know what to multiply. I want all my money back. 1 plus 0.10% divided 12 ways, because I'm going to pay the 12% over 12 months.
It's equal what?
Okay, we have this A1 plus 1 and B1 times 1 plus 0.1 divided by 12. Now, I would like to have this displayed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or how do I? Well, I can go to menu and I can go to for the document menu, and then I'd like to go some settings somewhere. Data settings. Let's see. Statistics, stable. No, it's not showing me anywhere I could do settings. Let's see. Escape. It's not there. So I think I should go to page settings or document settings. So document, and I can go to settings and status, and then I can go document settings, and it's float 6. Maybe I want 5. I don't know. Let's see. All these things look okay to me. Okay. But then that's 252. If I do 3, it would just be 252. I don't want that. This is good. It might be a problem later when this gets bigger. We'll see. Because that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So if I get more money, it's going to start chopping that off. So I guess in all, maybe I should just leave it back the way it was. Menu, not menu, escape. Escape. I want this kind of setting. I said escape. Okay. Document settings. And I can go to document settings. And I can restore the factory defaults and say okay. Okay. And now we're all in factory defaults, whatever that is. We're all the same. So let's click on this row here. Press shift. Click right. Make sure you have the 2 highlighted. And like that. And then control click the middle. And then go down as many rows as you like. I'm going to go to 12. I hope that's 12 months. I don't remember. Yeah, I started with 1. And that's 12 months. Okay. Yes? Okay.
Stop, drop,
Okay, so here we go. So you notice what the machine does is once you tell it the initial data and the formula, that the next row is not A1 plus 1, but A2 plus 1, then A3 plus 1, and so on. And this is not B1 times 1.1 divided by 12, but B2 times the same amount, and then B3, right? Each time it's the previous one, right?
Yeah.
So that's recursion, and we use it all the time in spreadsheets in this situation. Now, what are we supposed to do? We're supposed to make a scatter plot. So go to document and insert, what is that? Data and statistics number 7. Here it goes. And we click on the x-axis and we say that's months.
Can you redo
And then we click on the balance.
Can you do that?
Like that. And here we go. So here, click on, use your pad here to move your cursor to the right, and then choose balance or month. Which is the X, balance or month?
Months.
So go down, and then click the center. Boom.
Give me the months.
Then press tab. Should go to the next one. Click to the right,
First one.
and then now we want balance. Click in the center, and tab that. And first function, that's good. I'm good with this. I can click OK. Now some people like to use this tab thing until it reaches OK, and then press enter. Some people like to do that. And there you go.
F1 or F2?
Whatever it gives
Why
you.
did mine say R2? Wait, where's the title?
Okay. R2?
Yeah.
Okay, give me a moment to think about that.
Wait a minute. It's not even showing any of that. Oh, wait. Yeah, there it is.
Okay, so this your original data.
Yeah, I got an error. Got it. What are you doing wrong?
All right, so that's the data for there. And here's title, regression equation, A, B, R, squared and R. R is your correlation coefficient, tells you how well it matches. And this should match very well because this is an exponential model, so this should be 1. There's your multiplier. Now, this is good to take a picture of. Okay, to move the columns with, you move the cursor up here, and then when it becomes that kind of cursor, this one you can click and drag it. It's easier on the computer than on there. Hold on a second.
Mine's not moving.
Okay, so you might ask, is it the same? 247.934 times 1.008333 to the x. And over here, it's a times b to the x, where a is 247.934 and b is 1.008333. Ours again. Oops. So yeah, that's good. That's what it should be, right? Now, what I want you to do now, last step, insert a graph. Okay. Here, you're going to scroll up so you can see that that's there. And once I press enter and I press tab again, you'll see that it's now checked. Now, why don't I see it? I don't see it because I haven't set the window according to the data. Now, what I can do now is do menu 3, 6. Menu 36 is to put my scatter plot in a graph. Here is this step. Let me take a moment to pause so that I would pause the video. Okay, let's keep going. So I asked for this graph. Anyway,
Thank you.
Menu. It was 36. And press var. Here above the 9 is var. var. And then you got to choose what your vars are. That was the months. Press tab. Press var again. And I want the balance. So choose that. Press enter. Okay. Now, menu. Zoom. Window. Zoom. I want the zoom to the data. It'll adjust the window for me. I can go tab. And I can go menu, and then I want to see 3, and now I want 31. I want to see the functions. Go up to F1, press enter, and there's the fit. So this is what your thing should look like. You can take a picture of this. You should adjust this if you want to make it look nicer. What is X? The number of months. It's up to 13 months. You want to do 2 years? Change it to 24. You want this to be more money? That's just $300 to $500, right? In fact, they want to know when you're going to get to $3,500. And we had said last time that I was going to take 26 years, which is 26 times 12. And so this is weird. Here's the data, but here is where that would be. I would press tab, and to answer that question, put $3,500. And I would want that intersection. Okay, we'll continue next time.